Hello guys, in this session I'm going to talk about identifying the web elements using XPATH-Contains method. Let's get started. So we should be using contains method if the value of the XPath is dynamically changing. And the syntax of contains method is that we are going to use the tag name, and then we are going to use contains method, and then we are passing the attribute. Attribute can be ID, name, class, etc., and also the respective value for the attribute. And also we are trying other approach as well, that is using the tag name and contains with the text, and then we need to pass the respective value for the text method. So this one is the second one is combination of contains and text. We should be able to identify the web element on a web page. Now let's bring it up Eclipse and then automate the test case. So here I have already automated this test case to save us some time, right? So let me go ahead and explain you what has been automated and also the functionality that we are going to test here, right? So here, as you know, the first three steps are these three steps to identify the Chrome driver in the given location, and then creating a Chrome driver instance, and then maximizing the Chrome browser, and then we are going to now launch the desired URL. So in this case, we are going to launch ebay.com, and then waiting 3 seconds using the thread.sleep method. And then we are creating a web element called daily deals, and this is the the syntax to create the XPath using contains. So here we should be using a by.xpath, and then we should pass the ID attribute and the respective value. This is the respective value that we are passing. And then we are verifying whether daily deals is displayed or not. If it is displayed, we are going to click on the daily deals link and then waiting 2 seconds. Once we clicked on it, we are printing the output to the console log, stating that daily deals link is displayed, and then the current URL of the page. If daily deals link is not displayed, we are going to print in the console output that hey, the element is not displayed, right? And then this entire code that we have written to test the contains method, and then this piece of code we have written to test contains with the combination of text. Right here, this is the XPath, right? To click on the brand ID, and then once we clicked on it, we should be able to see the save up to 50% the brand outlet web element, right? That's why I'm using just a contains with ID attribute to click on the link, and then we are writing the XPath to to capture, say, 50% of the brand outlet. And then we are getting the text of that element, and then we are printing the text in the console output to make sure that we are able to identify the element as expected. And then we are quitting the driver. Now, let's go to a web page and inspect the element real quick. This is a web page. Just right click to display the console. And here, right, let me clear this one a little bit and then see if you look into this web page, right, and there are multiple links, right? And so here we are going to click on daily deals link using the automated script, and then we are creating a brand outlet link. And then, so this is the text that we are going to validate. Okay. Now let's click this small up arrow and then click on daily deals to identify this link. Let me make it this one little bigger so that you can see it properly. So here, right, we have, the LI tag name and followed by a class attribute, ID attribute, href attribute. And also here you see that daily deals text. So here we are going to use the ID value in order to identify this web element with the contains method. So just a command F to see this, search box. Okay, you should be using 2 forward slashes, and then tag name is li here, and then starting brackets. You should be writing contains method, and then starting open parenthesis, and then ID. We are going to use ID, comma, the value within the quotes. The value is this one, this guy. Just copy this one and paste it right here, and close the parentheses and then close the brackets. There you go. Here you should be able to see that one node has been matched. That indicates that this web element is identified uniquely, right? This is also highlighted here with yellow, and then we can just copy and paste this element right here. And then once you copied this XPATH, since I'm copied already, so I'm not copying this one. And once this has been copied, and then let's jump onto the next web element, which is brand outlet. So let me highlight this one real quick. And here you can see this is also having li and combination of anchor tag and ID. And also here you see that text brand outlet. So here, since we have built already XPath here, I'm just copying the value and pasting here. And here you can see that this element is also identified uniquely because the nodes are 1 out of 1. And also this has been highlighted in yellow, and this element has been identified uniquely as well. And you can just copy and paste this element right here. Right, and then we are clicking on it. The next one, we are going to use contains and text approach to identify the web element. For that, let me switch back to the browser. And here, this is the text that I should be identifying using XPath contain text method, and then I'm getting text of this one and printing into the console output. So again, just click on this one to highlight this web element. Click on it. There you go. Here you see that this is the text that I'm going to capture and then print. So here our approach is to use contains and text, right? And also let me check, I mean, whether this is LI or anchor. So no, this is H1, right? And so tag name is H1, open bracket, contains, open parenthesis, and this is the text method that we should be using, and open and close parenthesis, and comma, followed by value. So here the value is save up to 50% of the brand outlet. And then close parenthesis and close bracket. There you go. Here you see that this node has identified uniquely. That's why you can see 1 out of 1. And also highlighting this one implies that this has been identified uniquely. And also here this is getting highlighted. So, and then copy this one and paste it right here. So here we are able to identify the web elements in the combination of contains text. And then this guy, we are created a web element, and then we are getting text of this web element and printing over here. So far, what we have seen is that we are able to identify the web elements with both contains as well as contain text method. And then, we are copied those elements to here. And the next step is to execute this test to make sure that we are able to validate the desired output, right? Okay. Now let me go ahead and run this test. Click as the Java application. So now we are in eBay.com. We are waiting a couple of seconds and then click on daily deals. And then we are going to click on brand outlet. And here we are going to wait a couple of seconds before closing the browser. And here, this is what we are expecting as our output. One is daily deals link is displayed. That's why we are able to click on it. And our element strategy is working as expected. And also, this is printed, the expected output, and the current URL is ebay.com/deals, which means that we are on the deals page. And the second validation is to capture the discount price within the brands. So we are able to click on the brands using this guy, and then we captured the web element in the discount, and then we captured the get text. Get text of this web element is save up to 50% of the brand outlet. So we are able to run this test and successfully printed the expected output. I think that's all I wanted to cover for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.